Good morning. Welcome back to Dan's Trades. Today is July 17th, 2025, and as always, entertainment and or educational purposes only. Do your own research, please. Still in the morning session. It's just past 11 o'clock New York right now. Going to take a look at a quick scalp I took. Still riding my great streak, so just thought I'd share a few things. And it's still running, so that's awesome. But here was our morning session. I wasn't around to watch the open. Today was 8:30 news. And we ran up pretty decent range for the pre-market. What do we got here? Just under 90 handles. That's not bad. 9:30 bell came down, swept just below the pre-market liquidity, ran right back up. So definitely a lot of activity coming into the market. I wasn't watching the opening bell, but I did see in the macro at 10 o'clock here these perfectly engineered highs and then a pull back down. And I actually got to my charts right around 10:30 or so New York time. So I wasn't watching all this, so I just reviewed it after the fact. So here's what I had dialed up. Previous hour, that 9 to 10. So here's 9 o'clock start. So there's the high. 10:01. Technically it's, let's see, where's 10 o'clock? 45, 30. Yeah, 9 to 10, high to lows are right here. And we came back, just about touched 50% of that, but I was taken up here, looking at my analysis. And I was also, since I love those engineered liquidity right there and those highs, I said, yeah, very high probability it's coming to come back. That's not how tops happen. So this was my target, buy side liquidity right here. And here's where the most recent low was. And this is my projected target. So I drew a fib on that. I want to enter in this area. This would be best, but I was a little bit past that. So I got in right. It was right at a consolidation. So I saw this run up. We're in fair value. Executed a trade right there, right as this candle was closing. 23,155. So right about there on that candle is where it filled the order. Targeting 20 handles, so 155 up to 175. And just play some partials along the way. And it took it out in short order. So I was very happy with that nice scalp. I'll take 20 handles whenever I can. Zero drawdown. Unlike yesterday where I had that more drawdown that I don't care for. So got back to better execution. I liked it. And I took out these 20 handles. And I can scale that to anywhere. So there's first partial, second partial, third terminus. So just one along the way. Then when it cleared it, I was done with that trade. Came back, refilled this inefficiency, tapped again, and then we're still running. Then it definitely looked like it was going for a half standard deviation. I'll jump back over here. So there was here's my leg of the trade, basically right here. Yeah, we kept running. Half standard looked in, so it came right up to that in the macro time. And then one standard deviation was where I was just seeing, it's like, yep, it's continuing to fly, and that's perfectly fine. I'm perfectly happy with taking my slice of it. Take some meat off the bone. Someone else can have the rest of it. I'm just doing my thing. That's on micros. Just keep scaling that, turn that into minis, and that's all you need. You don't need the highs of the day, the lows of the day. At least I don't. Maybe some people want to shoot for that. It's good goals to have, but I'm perfectly happy with taking a chunk out. And that trade was, this is a 15-second chart. Entered here, exit there, 2 minutes. I'll take 2 minutes to take 20 handles all day long. Zero drawdown. That's a great experience. Thank you very much. As always, thank you, David, FX4 Living. If you haven't checked out yet, OHLC Academy will help you with your ability to read price and know when and where to get in and when to get out. And then build your own model. I'm not following his signals. He's not even doing a live stream, but they are so informative. You're doing yourself a disservice if you haven't at least checked him out. Even all of his free stuff, check out his YouTube channel. Thank you, David. I appreciate you, man. And let's see, just out of curiosity. Yeah, that's a nice run. Very cool. Today will be a short one. I'm happy with that. High impact news is done for the day. Maybe I'll look at PM, see what's going on, but I'm not going to push it. I'm having fun. And that's the point, is to have some fun at this too at the same time. I love it. All right, you guys take care. Make sure you live for today, because you should remember tomorrow's promised for none of us, right? Have a good one.